Have patience. Pag wala kang pasensya, usually hindi maganda yung kinalalabasan. Magiging reckless ka. O di kaya ang mga resulta ay hindi hinog sa pilit. But when I say patience, it doesn't mean na wala kang gagawin o mag-aantay ka lang. Ay kailangan active ka. You have to be actively waiting in a sense that you have to build your skill and you have to actively build your dream. Hindi yung mangangarap lang at kusa na lang darating yung pangarap. Hindi po ganun. You have to build it each and every day, patiently, brick by brick. Although you may feel na marami ng taon ang dumaan o mga panahon na nasayang, but just think of the future. You have a lot of years ahead of you at marami ka pang pwedeng ma-achieve. So be patient with yourself, be patient with your dreams, be patient with the people around you. And at the right time, in the Lord's time, darating din yan because God's timing is perfect.